Yeah, we will eat here. What's the flavor?
My best flavor is pork.
Pork. Okay, pork. Got beef and chicken. We will try. 5 pieces.
I know. I'm gonna give you 3 pork and 2 chicken. Okay?
Okay. Eat like a local.
Put it. Spicy.
Spicy.
Nothing spicy.
No spicy.
Onion.
Onion.
And habanero.
What's that?
Habanero.
Okay, let's try.
Pork.
Chicken.
Spicy, more spicy.
More spicy there.
Nothing spicy. It's the same sauce.
Same
chili
sauce.
without chili.
The onion. I like the onion. Okay. Let's try.
It's cooked with a sauce called mole. Okay? It's a millennial food. What's that?
Batulco.
Huatulco. This is better.
This better.
Bahías de Huatulco. This is better. I know. This is the best mole. This mole is exporting to Canada, to USA. A lot of.
So this pork, right?
That's pork. Called prensado.
Nothing.
No chile.
No, I put like this. I put this one.
Okay.
And this one? I'll try this one. It's cabbage, right?
Yeah. Like it pork or not? Me pork. Oh yeah? Me mole.
Oh yeah.
Kaya mas masarap siya. Kaysa doon sa isa. Kasi hindi luto yung ano. No?
This is very spicy.
I know. For man.
Wow.
Okay. But this is for God.
Taste.
Yeah.
Strong. I'm a man.
I know.
Yeah.
This one and this one. Together.
Together?
Yeah.
Okay, I will try. This one and this one. So I'm very, very strong now.
You have to show that you are a really
Yeah.
man. Okay.
Yeah.
Sarap.
Good. Very strong. Woo.
Ang no, ay
Woo.
hindi. Nakakain na to.
Hindi, wag nyo.
Huwag yung lagay ito.
Wag nyo lagay ito. Ito, okay to.
Ito lang.
So this is.
Gusto ko nang uminom ng tubig. Thank you very much.
You are a man or not?
I'm very man. Ako na lang naman nyo.
Okay.
Solid.